welcome back to my channel. My name is Shayla. Today I'm going to be recreating this thrifted 90s dress that I found a few years ago actually. I absolutely love this dress so much. My mom loves this dress so much that I decided to make her one for Mother's Day. So this is the dress that I gifted her for Mother's Day. It is the most comfortable dress. It's a pullover dress with ties to fit your body. It has buttons in the front and I absolutely love it. The only thing that I wish it had is pockets. Now, in this new recreation, I will be adding pockets to it. I will be recreating this dress from two 90s vintage sewing patterns. With one of them, I'm going to be using the bodice and the pockets, and with the other one, I'm going to be using the skirt. So let's just get started. As you can see, I've cut my pattern pieces, and now all I have to do is pin the front to the back piece and sew at the shoulder seams. Sorry about that, can't talk. Once I was done with that, I sewed the back and the front facings together at the seams. This is what it looked like. And now I'm going to fold once and sew that down all around the outer edge of the facings. Once I finished sewing the edge, I pinned my facings right sides together with my bodice. I did a top stitch all around the collar areas so that the facings could lay down flat. And this is what it should look like. Next, with right sides together, I sewed the armpit area, like so. Now all I have left to do for the bodice is sew the buttons and the buttonholes. I pinned and sewed the pockets to the skirt pieces. Once that was done, the next step was to pin the back of the skirt to the front of the skirt right sides together, making sure I pinned around the pockets. Once that was done, I sewed a straight stitch all along the pinned area. I sewed 2 basting stitches on the top of the skirt, and then I gathered for it to fit the bodice. I pinned the skirt to the bodice and stitched all across and stitched all across with a straight stitch. And that was pretty much it. Now let's see what it looks like. And that's it, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed watching this video, please give me a like. Let me know in the comments below what is your favorite 90s fashion, and I would really love your support by you subscribing down below. Thank you so much, and I'll see you in the next video.